Hello everyone. In the last virtual class, we have discussed automatic cutting of lathe. That is the one of type of single spindle automatic lathes. You can find the link of that video in the description box. Now, in this virtual class, we are going to discuss another type of single spindle automatic lathes. That is Swiss type automatic screw lathe. These automatic lathes are originally designed and developed in the Switzerland and are mainly used to generate or manufacture threaded elements or threaded components. That's why these automatic lathes are called as Swiss type automatic screw lathes. In these machines, the headstock that is consisting driving mechanism, driving spindle and collet chuck can travel in the axial direction, or we can say it can slide in axial direction. That's why these machines are also called sliding head screw machine or movable headstock machine. आज जिस ऑटोमेटिक लेथ के बारे में पढ़ रहे हैं, ये लेथ्स इनिशियली स्विट्जरलैंड में डेवलप की गई थी और इनका प्रयोग मुख्यतः थ्रेडेड कंपोनेंट्स की मैन्युफैक्चरिंग में किया जाता है। इसीलिए इस मशीन को हम स्विस टाइप ऑटोमेटिक स्क्रू लेथ कहते हैं। चूंकि इस मशीन में जो हेड स्ट्रोक होता है वह एक्सियल डायरेक्शन में स्लाइड कर सकता है, ट्रेवल कर सकता है, इसीलिए स्विच टाइप ऑटोमेटिक स्क्रू लेथ को स्लाइडिंग हेड स्क्रू मशीन या मूवेबल हेड स्ट्रोक मशीन भी कहा जाता है। एंड समटाइम वी कैन आल्सो कॉल दिस मशीन एज स्विस ऑटो लेथ। The characteristics of the Swiss type automatic lathes are following. These machines are mainly used for load production or mass production of thin cylinder rod or tubular jobs. इन मशीन्स का प्रयोग बहुत ही कम व्यास वाले और अधिक लंबाई वाले रोड टाइप या ट्यूबुलर टाइप जॉब्स के मास प्रोडक्शन में किया जाता है, like connectors and contacts that are used in electronic industry, medical devices and implants, watch parts and miniature shafts. तो इस तरह के बहुत ही थिन और लॉन्ग जॉब्स के मास प्रोडक्शन में स्विच टाइप ऑटोमेटिक लेथ्स का प्रयोग किया जाता है। The job size that is machined on these lathes is having diameter in the range of 2 millimeter to 12 millimeter. Sometimes this range can be up to 25 millimeter, and the length of the job that is machined on this lathe can range from 3 millimeter to 300 millimeter. That means here diameter is very less and the length is somehow larger than the diameter. And the dimensional accuracy, tolerance and the surface finish that can be achieved in these lathes is almost as good as that provided by grinding operation. Here you can get a brief idea of Swiss type automatic screw lathe by this picture. Here this is the headstock, which is consisting collet chuck, which is used to clamp, hold and support the bar work. This bar work is rotated with spindle. Along with the support at the chuck, this bar is also supported and guided by using guide bushing device. This guide bushing device is connected to tool bracket on which the tools are mounted. Here you can see this is the tool or cutter that is fed radially to the bar. You can see the movements of various parts, like bar is here rotated and this bar is also moved in axial direction to feed the work by using this headstock. So here this headstock is movable and can slide in the axial direction, and tool is fed radially to the work. तो स्विच टाइप ऑटोमेटिक स्क्रू लेथ के बारे में आप ब्रीफ आइडिया इस पिक्चर की सहायता से ले सकते हैं। यहाँ पर ये हेड स्टॉक दिखाया गया है जो एक्सियल डायरेक्शन में मूवमेंट कर सकता है। इस हेड स्टॉक में लगी कोलेट चक बार वर्क को होल्ड करने सपोर्ट करने के काम आती है और ये बार वर्क स्पिंडल की सहायता से रोटेट करवाया जाता है। स्विच टाइप ऑटोमेटिक स्क्रू लेथ मशीन में बार वर्क को गाइड बुशिंग डिवाइस या गाइड बुश या जॉब गाइड की सहायता से सपोर्ट किया जाता है और ये गाइड बुश टूल ब्रैकेट में लगी होती है। टूल ब्रैकेट में टूल्स लगे होते हैं जिन्हें बार के रेडियली फीड किया जाता है और डिफरेंट ऑपरेशंस परफॉर्म किए जाते हैं। Other characteristics that are based on the constructional and working feature of switch type automatic lathes are followings. As we have seen in the switch type automatic lathe, the headstock can slide or travel in axial direction. This movement of headstock enables the axial feed of bar stock against the cutting tool. जैसा कि हम देख चुके हैं हेड स्टॉक एक्सियल डायरेक्शन में मूव कर सकता है, स्लाइड कर सकता है और इस मूवमेंट के कारण बार स्टॉक की एक्सियल फीड होती है। In these machines, there is an additional support to the bar stock that is provided by using guide bush or job guide attached to the job bracket. स्विच टाइप ऑटोमेटिक लेथ में बार स्टॉक को एडिशनल सपोर्ट प्रोवाइड किया जाता है बाय यूजिंग जॉब गाइड और गाइड बुश और ये जॉब गाइड और गाइड बुश टूल ब्रैकेट पर लगी होती है। And the cutting tools are mounted on tool bracket and these cutting tools are fed radially to the workpiece. The number of cutting tool is up to 5 and it includes 2 cutting tools on the rocker arm. टूल ब्रैकेट पर अप टू 5 नंबर ऑफ कटिंग टूल्स लगे होते हैं और इन कटिंग टूल को हम वर्क में रेडियली फेड कर सकते हैं टू परफॉर्म दी डिफरेंट ऑपरेशंस। इन कटिंग टूल्स की सहायता से मेनली फॉर्मिंग, फेसिंग, चेम्फरिंग, कटिंग ऑफ जैसे ऑपरेशन परफॉर्म किए जाते हैं। In the switch type automatic lathe, there is no tail stock or turret. As we have seen in automatic cutting of lathe, there is a square turret, and in the automatic screw machines or turret type automatic machines, there is a hexagonal turret. But in the switch type automatic screw lathe, there is no tail stock or any turret. There is a special attachment at the end, or we can say there is a special attachment at the right end and it is called feed base. This feed base is used to mount drilling or threading related tools and these tools can be moved axially by moving this feed base. स्विच टाइप ऑटोमेटिक स्क्रू लेथ्स में न तो कोई टेल स्टॉक होता है न ही कोई टरेट होता है। जैसा कि हमने ऑटोमेटिक कटिंग ऑफ लेथ में देखा कि वहां पर स्क्वायर टरेट लगा हुआ था और हम ऑटोमेटिक स्क्रू मशीन्स या कहें कि टरेट टाइप ऑटोमेटिक स्क्रू मशीन्स में देखेंगे कि वहां पर हेक्सागोनल टरेट लगा हुआ होता है। लेकिन स्विच टाइप ऑटोमेटिक स्क्रू लेथ्स में न तो कोई टेल स्टॉक लगा होता है और न ही कोई टरेट लगा होता है। लेकिन स्विच टाइप ऑटो लेथ्स में एक स्पेशल अटैचमेंट लगा होता है जो कि फीड बेस कहा जाता है और इसमें हम ड्रिलिंग, बोरिंग और थ्रेडिंग रिलेटेड टूल्स माउंट कर सकते हैं। Switch type automatic lathes are having high spindle speed that is in range of 2000 to 10,000 rpm. Now we will get complete idea of switch type automatic screw lathe by studying their construction. Let's take a help of this diagram. This diagram depicts the switch type automatic screw lathe. Here you can see this is the foundation and this is the bed. On the left side of this bed there is a headstock which can slide or travel in the axial direction. That's why this is named as sliding headstock. This sliding headstock has the driving arrangement, driving spindle and collet chuck. The bar stock, that means the work that is in form of tubes or rods, is passed through the spindle and clamped in the collet chuck. Here, this bar stock is also supported by using a bracket. And on the right side of this bed, there is a special attachment that is known as feed base. This special attachment is used to perform drilling, boring, or threading like operations. In between sliding headstock and special attachment, there is a tool bracket. This tool bracket consists the tool slides, and the tool slides are having cutting tools. This tool bracket is also having a guide bush or job guide that is used to provide additional support to the bar work during the cutting operations. The different movement of these component of this lathe, like sliding headstock, tool bracket, feed base, are controlled by using cam arrangement. So here, one side of this lathe, there is a camshaft on which number of cams are mounted. Here, this is bale cam that is used to control the movement of this sliding headstock. These are plate cams, and these cams are also called disc type cams. These plate cams are for controlling the movement of tools that are mounted on tool bracket. And these plate cams are for controlling the movement of the feed base. This feed base can also be moved in axial direction to give the feed to cutting tools that are mounted on this by using these cams. Here, it should be noted that camshaft rotate at constant speed. One component is manufactured in one complete cycle of this camshaft. Now, let's get an idea about tool bracket. This figure represents the tool bracket that is used in switch type automatics. This tool bracket can have up to 5 number of cutting tools. Here, the tool slide first and second are in horizontal direction. These tool slides are also called cross slide, as these tool slides are mounted in crosswise direction. This tool slide is situated at front end, and this tool slide is situated at rear end. And rest of the tool slides are in between these tool slides. These tool slides are having tool bits that are used to perform different operations. And radially feed of these tools is controlled by using the levers that are connected to cams. Here, this is the bar stock that is to be machined to get the required shape and size. This bar stock is also supported and guided through the guide bush. And this tool bracket is having an arrangement of job guide or guide bush that is used to support and guide the bar stock. Now the working of switch type automatic screw lathe, or the principle of switch type automatic lathe, can be understood by using these diagrams. In this diagram, you can see the different movements of the component that are used to perform different operations. Here, this is the headstock that can slide or travel in this axial direction. This is the bar stock, which is rotated by using spindle, and this bar stock is held in collet chuck. This collet chuck is in headstock. This is the tool bracket that is having tool slides. These tool slides are fed radially against the workpiece. An additional support is provided to the job by using this job guide or guide bush. This job guide or guide bush is attached to the tool bracket. And by different cutting tools that are mounted on tool slide, the required operations can be performed on the bar stock to get required job. If there is any requirement for drilling, boring or threading like operations, the cutting tools that are mounted on feed base are fed in axial direction. Here you can see the cutting tool position and their motions. This is the rocker arm on which front and rear end tool slides are mounted, and rest of three tool slides are in between these tool slides. All these tool slides are fed radially against the workpiece and having different type of cutting tools to perform required operations. After the completion of job, the cutting of tool mounted on this tool slide cut off the job from the bar stock, and this finished job is unloaded automatically. Then for next op, the bar is fed in axial direction, and again the whole cycle is repeated. As in the Swiss type automatic screw lathes, the bar stock is supported at two places. First at the collet in this headstock and second at the job guide. So by precisely controlling the movement of the cutting tools, we can achieve close tolerances and quite good surface finish in the operations that are performed on these lathes. Here, it should also be noted that these machines are generally used to manufacture threaded components. However, along with threaded components, these machines are also used to manufacture a lot of different thin cylinder jobs. In the next virtual class, we will study automatic screw type lathe, that is also known as turret type automatic screw lathe. You can find a link of that virtual class in the description box.